Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SARAL Trader. So we are going to do the end of the day review. So first thing we will start is with S&P 500 charts. So we will look at the futures chart. So on the futures, let me change the setup here. So on the futures, as I told you, we are at a critical support, which has held on for quite some time, and this was the breakout level also. So we had a sharp bullish kicker action here, and we are trading above. As long as we keep trading above 5550, we will be only looking for long options. So this has worked out. If you look at the smaller time frames, we traded above the key pivot, and we are heading higher. I created a butterfly today, options butterfly. I bought 5850 calls, sold 5950 calls in ratio, and then I bought another one to cover it. So this is what I did in S&P 500. If you look at the IWM charts, so IWM, the small cap index, took support on this key level. It broke it, and this was another pivot which was holding it, and then we got a very sharp move. If you look at it on a smaller time frame, on our favorite system, we got a signal here, and that signal has played out. There was So we are currently bullish. I think, in my opinion, markets are pricing in Trump victory. So that might be playing out here. Now, what did I buy today? So I my SARAL counter trend system today bought into Infosys. Infosys again. This is touching the key breakout level. This level was tested. This is getting tested third time. Oversold. So we are expecting a 3 to 6% move up in this in some time. So that is one thing that I looked into. Then another ETF open trade is XHB. So XHB, we entered somewhere at this level, and we are already up around 2.5%. Tomorrow there is interest rate decision. There is a FOMC meet. Now, if FOMC meets comes positive, the decision comes positive, we might be looking at a bigger move here. So possibly the first target will be 120, and then the next, we'll see how it fizzles out, how it plays out. So XHB is already in profits. If you look at it on the smaller time frames, it was at a very critical support. Now there were a lot of selling coming from top level. Somebody was constantly selling. Now it has taken out all those today. So if the decision tomorrow is positive, we might see a sharper move up on this. Now another open trade that we have is Jack in the box. Now Jack in the box is in positive territory now. We are looking at a target of around 56. We will sell the remaining position. We are already up 15% on this. We are still on it. So 56 will be one level where we will sell it. So that is one. Now on another trade that triggered for us today is the Open Door. Now Open Door, another company listed, interest rate sensitive company, real estate, housing sector. It was again getting the similar kind of sell off. So whenever it tried going up, there was sell off, then again sell off, then again sell off. Yesterday it slightly held, and today it has held above, and it is near a very key volume node. Now if things play out well, this setup generally gives sharp moves up. So the first target will be 2.2 to 2.5. That can be the first target on it. It's a penny stock, and generally it trades in huge volumes, and it has trapped both bulls and bears always. So be very careful with this. We have an options position, and another one is Redfin. So Redfin is another real estate play. very similar kind of a setup here, bullish kicker. Now all this kicker signals play out generally, but if the result tomorrow market is probably pricing in Trump, something happens, we might see sharp sell off also. So we have covered XHB, and then I added pharma index today. Yesterday also we added it, and today also I added a little bit more. It gapped down, and right from the high volume node, it again bought. We closed lower than yesterday, so there was a trigger. So I added my full position. Now I'm very confident that this should not break. Now, if this doesn't break, we will definitely see 93 to 95 kind of targets on it, and at the first level this is a swing signal, so the targets there are smaller. So one more play on the emerging market ETFs is which is playing out, seems to be playing out for now, is EWM. EWM is Malaysia index. So Malaysia index is also moving in our direction. If things go well, we might get our full targets at around 3.5 to 4%. So that's another EWM. Any other stocks you want me to cover, do let me know. You can comment in the box, and you can put a comment, and we'll take it up from there. Anything that I want to cover is no. So I covered everything that was on my radar. Some of my other open trades is PBR, which we added last Friday, showing that sell-off is over. These are Brazilian stocks, so the gap up and gap down big time. So don't be, so we'll see how it goes. It's a very good dividend paying company, moves very sharply, and the counter trend system in this works very well. Beats the market and also beats the PBR returns on long hold. So, and Pfizer again, it gapped down and it went up tomorrow. We are expecting full targets at around 28.50 here. That is going to be, and if it goes lower, we might add more at 26, 27 kind of levels here. So that's on my radar. If anything else you want to cover, let me know, and we'll take it up from there. Thank you.